Hope you're having a great day. On DMR, Digital Mobile Radio. I see this all the time on the various talk groups. Like say 3100 for example, or worldwide, or North America. DMR is bass-ackwards. Any other mode like we're used to, traditional analog, FM, where we come in on a repeater, you turn the radio on, the radio automatically receives that frequency, you don't have to push to talk anything. You know, DMR, Digital Mobile Radio, is bass-ackwards. You have to push to talk to activate the talk group through the hotspot, like this. AA1PR. So activate the talk group. The hotspot keys up, switches over to there, and then you get people on 3100 and all these other talk groups complaining that people are keying up and they're not saying anything. Well, you know, they have to key up, activate the talk group through the hotspot or the repeater in order to be able to hear the traffic through there. Hence all the dead keys. So stop complaining, folks. It's part of the hobby. It's not really an amateur radio mode. I've heard people say, oh, DMR is the greatest new mode in the last 20 years. Well, I hate to tell you, man, it's an old commercial mode. It's probably been around 15, 20 years, so it's just been revamped into amateur radio use. It's sort of like D-Star, C4FM. P25 is one of the newer ones, and that's probably been around a while at least, too. So, anyways, have a little tolerance, have a little patience. For all those dead keys on your favorite talk group, people have to key up to activate the talk group. They're not just jamming you. And there we go. And 2 TRX just keyed up. So there you go. There's a gentleman probably just keyed up to activate the talk group. Anyways, everybody be safe. 7-3.